Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day in the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. And guess what? Tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. The pot of gold, the leprechauns are going to be running around, folks. I love it. Especially for us in the metals business. Oh, baby. Be impeccable with your words. Seek to know the truth. When you hear an opinion and believe it, you make an agreement. It becomes part of your belief system. The only thing that can break this agreement is to make a new one based on the truth. Only the truth has the power to set you free. Market rise! Let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down $1.10. Nasdaq is up 6, S&P's down 3, gold contract flat, $17.29 an ounce. We got silver down 27 cents, $25.97 an ounce. Light sweet crude down 65 cents, $64.74 a barrel. Notes and bonds. 10-year note flat, 131.31. 30-year off 6 at 155.30. And King Dollar is up 30 ticks, trading 91.865. The euro is at 119. The yen is at 109 flat, and the British pound's at 138 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? So we start out with this SPY, folks. Bottom line, you're got a flat market. You're down 24 cents, flat market. You're at 396. Volume, 51 million, no big deal, but guess what? You're hanging at highs, folks. That's the real bottom line. You're hanging at highs. We'll see whether this baby can charge higher. NDX 100, now this is going to be the cool one. Okay, so, and this is so deviant, it's unbelievable, actually, which is pretty freaking cool, folks. So, what we have is this. We were talking about this potential ABC structure yesterday. So, it's in place. The bottom line is that you need 53 million shares, and we're going to get 53 million. Now, so you're taking the B point out, taking it out with volume. That gives you a price projection of 333. Going to be a while watching this because, so that's the bullish part of it. The bearish part goes like this, folks, is that you are coming into the downdraft that was created out here from the highs, and we got to a price point of 324.20. Well, 324.45 would be the top of that, and if we get over that, close underneath it, that would be a failure in general. That being said, my take is that this ABC structure is going to come into fruition. What gets really intriguing is this. We've talked many times about you can take your B point out, you can take it out with volume, you give it up on price. If that's what you get, it turns into a complex ABC structure on the way up. Now, what's really cool about a complex ABC structure is this, is that, first off, you take it out with volume. When you back down, if in fact we do back down, and you back down with light volume, then you're going to, the buy aspect of that, meaning the probability, goes up dramatically that you're going to be in a beautiful position. So this is going to get really intriguing watching this, because what we had out here today is this. You got the 324. Right now we're at 320.56. The B point is 319.86. So if you close over it, that's not a complex one. You close underneath it, then it's a complex one. If you get a complex one, what ends up happening is that you could go right down to the lows that were established out here Friday. Bottom line, when all said and done, my take is that this little ABC is going to finish up, and that, yes, that's deviant beyond belief. Inside of the NDX 100, the strength out here, Moderna is the strength. Today, up 5.4%. Fox is up 3.6%. AMAT is up 3.6%. Excuse me, folks, taken away from it, Tesla. Tesla's down 4%. You got Peloton off 4%. You got DocuSign off 3.5%. And you got Pace Car down 3.4%. We go over to the gold contract. We take a look at the gold contract. Gold contract. Bottom line needs price as well as volume. Setting up, we need the dollar to basically get lower. That's the real bottom line. We have done 100 and... No, let me get this different contract up. Okay, GC. There he goes. Jeez. Okay, so, no. There we go. Okay, we've done 166,000 contracts. We put this... Okay, so you're going into 215. Going to need more contract volume. Bottom line is that we get, you're going to need more contract. It's holding price. We need more contract volume. My take is that gold does want to go to 1777. We'll see how this baby shakes out, but we need more volume as well as price. Let's go to the 30-year. So we take a look at the 30-year. We had looked at the 10-year, and the 10-year, folks, has tested the lows 3 separate times. The 30-year, let's see how this baby is shaking out. Okay, so the first leg down on the 30-year, we had 697,000 contracts. The low there was 156.08. We broke that low with 595,000 contracts. So you got 697, 595. Then we tested with 530. So you don't... The difference is that on the 30-year, you have not got a rejection of lower price yet. The 10-year, we have got a rejection of lower price. If we go take a look at the 10-year, what you're going to see inside the 10-year is that we tested 3 separate times the low. You have the rejection of lower price. Bottom line, once you get a rejection of lower price, folks, what you're looking for is you're looking for the lift-off of the lows. The first time that we came down, monster volume, 4 million contracts. Second time, 2.6. Last Friday, 2.1. And yesterday, you only did 1.4. You know, so this whole note and bond market is going to be so intriguing, particularly because we have a 2-day Fed meeting. And what we are going to have out here tomorrow at 2 o'clock, Powell's going to come out. The bottom line, you know, policy-wise, status quo-wise, I don't see them changing anything. The market is going to be, no doubt, looking for anything and everything that these rates, meaning the Federal Reserve, will move quicker than they have thought in the past. My take is that it's not going to happen. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.